Hi guys, so today is my first video and I'm going to show you how you can create a website using AI without having to pay to any designer or a web developer. So yeah, let's get started. You will need two things. Number one is Visual Studio and the second thing is the AI tool named Claude. Let me exactly tell you how to download them. So first of all, you will open the browser. Now type in Visual Studio download. You will click on any of the link. You just have to download Visual Studio. So I'll just make sure to put the links in the comments. You just go here and you will download as per your device. So if you have a Windows PC, just go for Windows, and if you have Apple devices, just go for Mac. So after downloading Visual Studio, you will see a tool like this. Okay, just close whatever opens. The next thing you will do is to install extension Claude. So here you will type Claude Code. Okay, this is the first one. You should make sure that the author or the owner of the extension is Anthropic, right? Don't go for the other ones because we are going to use this one. This is the one official extension from Anthropic. Okay, so go here. Since I have already installed, it's now showing like this. But if you want to install it from the beginning, you will just have to click on install and then enable. It will also ask you to sign up for Claude. So let me tell you exactly how much does it cost. Claude pricing. So here you can see it starts from $17 per month, and this is a tool where you will just, consider it as something which can do most of the development work, right? So you just have to type, or type anything like create a website, create maybe any kind of sections. Just go for anything, right? So yeah, this is the plan you will go for. Okay, now I will just close this. So now you have already installed Claude and Visual Studio. Okay, so now what you have to do is create a folder in your laptop. Okay, I named it as AI Revolution, and here you will create a new folder, name it as a business website. Okay, now just make sure where the folder exists. Then you will go here, file, open folder, and just go to that location, select that, and then select the folder. Okay, yes, I trust the authors. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, if you see this welcome tab, here is the icon which will open the Claude tool, right? But in case if you don't see this welcome screen, so if it's like this, there is no Claude icon, right? So what you will do is click on new text file, just open any file, and here you're gonna see Claude Code, right? So click on it, it will open up chat screen. Now you can close file you recently opened. Okay, here is the magic will happen, right? Here you will type, for example, type any kind of prompt. It's not necessary to copy paste the exact same prompt. This is this is the benefit of this tool. You can just communicate with this tool any way you want. So for example, I run a business consulting agency and I need a one-page website where all of my services and contact details are available. Consider yourself as a world-class web developer, designer, and QA tester. You can just ignore QA tester. You can just go with web developer and designer and create a website for me right now. Use the best colors, and if you have a logo and you want to use the colors from logo, just provide the logo to this tool, or maybe you can just type in whatever colors are available in your branding guidelines. So yeah, just go for it and use the best colors and use the best standard practices in the current trend. Okay, now I will click enter. So now the tool magic will start. So it created a to-do list and it will complete them one by one. So first it will create HTML structure with all the sections, then it will add the styling, then it will implement the responsive design and add some animations, and then it will test and verify the website. This is an amazing tool. You don't have to hire a web developer or designer or spend money on these things. You just have to install these tools and just give the prompt and it will do the job, and only for $17 per month. Okay, so now it will ask for permissions. You can just click on yes and don't ask again. Now it will start creating the website. So it has already completed creating the HTML. Now it will add CSS styling. It is taking some time for the first time, but once you have the website ready and then you will ask for changes, it will do quickly. It is taking some time, but at least it's not going to take as much time as a designer or developer will do, because they usually will need around 3 to 4 days to make such a website. But This tool will create it in like 10 to 15 minutes. It has already finished adding CSS styling. Now it will implement responsive design and animation. So what is responsive design? It is basically something, I mean, for example, you open a website in mobile device, right? So the website should show properly, right? It should not show you the desktop version. That's the styling we have to make it responsive. So this tool will do it itself. Now it has already completed implementing the responsive design and animation. Now it will work on testing and verifying the design. Now it has already completed, and it will give all the details like what kind of colors tool has used in all the summary. Right now you can click on index HTML. What you can do is just go to that folder. Here you can see index. Okay, now click on open. Here you can see an amazing website tool has created. I mean, honestly, a designer or developer would take around 3 to 4 days to finish this. Trust me. But this tool has done it in few seconds. Like you can say maybe a few minutes, not exactly the seconds, but this is something it has done. So you can click on it and it will go to that specific sections. Now, since it doesn't have any image on the right side, you can just ask. Please add an image on the right side of hero section, because right now it looks empty. So now it will add some illustrations. I mean, how clean the website looks, the layout and the design and the colors, really amazing. You just have to, I mean, if you need, you want to add the logo, just provide the logo to the tool and it will just add the logo. If you need any kind of text changes, I'll show you right now how you can change the text. So now it is adding an image illustration in the hero section, which will be finished in the next few seconds. I mean, look how easy things are right now. I mean, if you don't have any technical skills, you are not a web developer, if you're not a web designer, you don't have to worry about your website right now. I mean, this will do everything for you. You just have to type the prompts, and these prompts are not even difficult. I mean, you just have to talk to this tool like you talk to anybody else. Just tell this tool what you need, and it will just start doing it. So yeah, let me show you actually how you can change the text as well. Let it just finish the hero section image. Now, after completing every task, it will give you just a summary of what it has done. Some new illustration features. These are the things it has added. Let me see. So now I will refresh the page. See, I mean, how amazing it is. You can even tell on the tool if you want another image or maybe any other illustrations. I mean, you can just ask anything. Maybe let me ask, please change the current graphics illustrations on the hero section. Make it something more better. Now it is working on changing the graphics. So here you can see the form as well. If you want, I can show you how to make this form work through this tool in the next video. So I will actually guide you exactly how to code, how to write the prompt to make this contact form work, right? So what it will do is once someone type in the details will be sent to you through email or whichever way. If you use a CRM, it can be sent there as well. So yeah, after just finishing the hero section image, we'll just try to change some text. So you know actually how you can change the text. And if you will ask me in the next video, I will show you how you can make this form work. Or maybe since it's a one-page site, if you want to create multiple pages, I can also guide you for that. So this video will be beneficial for the business owners who want to create their own website, as well as people who would like to create websites for clients and they do not have technical skills. So yeah, they can use these tools and create websites for their clients. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it's done. Let me refresh. Okay. See, what you can do is you can just ask the tool to make the image whatever you want to create, right? So for example, if it's a business consulting agency, what I will do is, okay, so still I do not like the image this tool has generated for the hero section. So let me just take a screenshot. Sorry. Just take a screenshot and copy. I'll just press Ctrl+V So the image gets pasted here. Then I will ask Claude, please have a look at the image. The graphics you have created for hero section is not looking good. Make something better. So once you provide the image screenshot of any section, this tool can analyze what is happening in the image. I mean, what kind of image is it, and what are the issues inside. Then it will resolve it automatically. I mean, it will itself. We'll wait until this completes, and then what we can do is we can just try changing some text, and that's it. See, you can see exactly it is showing you which section it is removing the code from and where it is going to add new items. Yeah, and that's really amazing. It has already done the code changes. Now it is adding updating the CSS style, and then we will see the results. No one ever imagined that a normal person who doesn't know coding or who doesn't know web designing development can actually create a website like this. I mean, how easy it is. So now it has already updated the hero section image. Okay, so here's the results of hero section image, and I think it looks much better now. So here it is, the whole page. Now let me show you how to change the text, right? So for example, if we want to change the name of this person, so we will just click on copy, and then I'll ask, please change the name from to Andrew Fleming in the review section of the home page. Okay, now let me see. You can see the text is now changed. I mean, if you want to do anything, just you can change the phone number, change phone number from this to it has already changed the name. Sorry, the phone number. Now we will click on refresh. It's now changed, right? So this is the final look of the website. You can just click on each section from the menu. Okay, and here you go. If you want me to create a next video, maybe on making this contact form working, or if you want to add more pages, I mean, instead of having one page website to multiple pages website, let me know. I'll create another video. Since this is my first video, I apologize for not having maybe proper equipments to record this video. So yeah, this is just a raw video for someone who wants to create a website and they do not have any technical skills. So yeah, I'm sure this will help you. Let me know if you have any questions through comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share it if you find it if it helped you. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.